7 new Digistore24 affiliate products to promote July 2022. Hey there, it's Susie, and I'll be your affiliate marketing informant today, informing you of everything you want and need to know about affiliate marketing. In this video, I'm going to show you 7 new Digistore24 affiliate products to promote in July 2022. Because whether you're getting started as an affiliate marketer or looking to scale your affiliate revenue, there are hundreds of new affiliate products being released every month. And Digistore24 is just one of the many affiliate networks for you to find these affiliate products. And now that we've made it to July, let's take a look at 7 new Digistore24 affiliate products to promote for you to make affiliate commissions. And if you stay with me until the end, I'll show you how to research any product niche to see if it's a seasonal or trending topic. If you need help getting started with Digistore, check out Kim's Digistore24 Beginner's Guide video. Kim will show you exactly how to get started and make money online with Digistore24. Keep watching and I'll link this video at the top right a bit later for you, along with other helpful Digistore24 videos to help you in your affiliate marketing journey. Also, check out the link below for instant access to training that's unlike any training you've ever seen before. You'll learn the truth about why you have been failing online and what you need to do to change your future. So if succeeding with affiliate marketing interests you, then grab our free training below today. If you found value in this video, please give it a like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you'll know when our next video comes out. And let us know in the comments if you have any questions. We'll be happy to answer them for you as soon as we can. Before we get started, it's very important to note that we are simply providing you with information about these products and how to research them for yourself. We do not endorse any product shown. Any and all of this information is subject to change without prior notice. These metrics, as well as these products and vendors, change regularly. You are expected to complete additional research on these products for accuracy and to confirm if it is the right fit for you and your audience. We also cannot and do not guarantee that you will make any sales of any of these products. What do all of these products have in common? They are all in the top 2 niches of health and wealth. And these vendors are capitalizing on seasonal and trending sub-niches and topics right now that we'll discuss for each product. New Digistore24 affiliate product number 7, Ecom Profit Sniper. With Ecom Profit Sniper, you will create your own online business and start banking up to $44,000 per month with a little-known website. This sales page is simply a video sales letter. It doesn't really give you any answers to the type of training that you'll be receiving, but it does make big promises about the laptop lifestyle. Ecom Profit Sniper also has a JV or affiliate page with 13 email swipes to help you promote this product to your customers. Ecom Profit Sniper is in the e-commerce sub-niche, and in the past 5 years, it has had regular growth. Now, the broad niche of Ecom Profit Sniper is wealth, and because that's such a broad niche, I broke it down into e-commerce and make money online. I also did topic and search terms so that you could see there are differences even though they maintained similar lines. If we broaden this to the past year, it does look like there was a general dip right around the first of the year, and then it did start to travel back up for all 3 topics of make money online and e-commerce. Ecom Profit Sniper is currently ranking number 17 in the internet marketing and e-business category on Digistore24. The average affiliate commission is 60%, with the average price per sale at $79. The average affiliate commission earnings per sale is $30, with a cart conversion rate of 10% and a cancellation rate of 14%. Not every product is going to have a cart conversion and a cancellation rate. The cart conversion tells us how many people put this product in their cart and purchased it. The cancellation rate tells us how many of that 10% has canceled the product. When looking at these 2 numbers, this is a perfect example of something to watch out for. If your cancellation rate is higher than your cart conversion rate, you may not be able to keep the commissions you make because people will be refunding this product. So that's something to keep in mind. And don't forget, if you're looking for ways to promote quality affiliate products, we do provide free training for you available in the link below. New Digistore24 affiliate product number 6, Reignite. Reignite is a 100% natural blend dietary supplement that targets stubborn fat by addressing mitochondrial health. This is also a simple video sales page, and if you scroll to the bottom, you can get more information from the tabs down here. Let's take a look at affiliates. Here we can see that there are 3 purchasing options for this product. 1 bottle is $69, 3 bottles is $59, and 6 bottles is $49. There are also some facts for you to be able to answer any questions that your customers may have. There's also a scientific references page. So if you wanted to go and look at these references and do more research on this product, you certainly could. Reignite is capitalizing on the consistently trending topics of dietary supplements and weight loss. This is a 5-year scale. If we look at this, you can see there are peaks usually around the first of the year where people are trying to diet and watch their weight a little bit more. Knowing that these have peaks gives you time to plan and have your promotions out when it will be most effective for you. Reignite also has a JV or affiliate page where they give you Facebook ads, banners, email swipes, and even customer demographics. This is also great to look at because it tells you who it targets so that you can adjust your promotion accordingly. Reignite is in the fitness and health niche, and I showed you the sub-niche of dietary supplements. The affiliate commission for Reignite is 75%, with the average sale of $59. The average affiliate commission earnings per sale is $40. Now, because this product is missing the cart conversion and the cancellation rate, you could do more research on this product to try and get more information. A great place to start, on their scientific references page, there is a ClickBank logo. So if we take a look at this product on ClickBank, they do have additional affiliate page. And on that page, you do find out that on ClickBank, the conversion rate is at 5%. And you also find out that the average conversion dollar rate for affiliates is $157. Now that is on a different platform, but it does give you a little bit more information about the product. New Digistore24 product number 5, MaxiLoss. MaxiLoss is also a dietary supplement that helps you drop the pounds and gives you that new lease of vibrant, healthy energy. There are also 3 purchase options with MaxiLoss. 1 bottle for $59, 3 bottles for $49, and 6 bottles for $39. There are also some facts down at the bottom of this page to help you answer any questions that your customers may have. MaxiLoss also has an affiliate tools page with banner ads, email swipes, demographics, and more to help you promote this product. MaxiLoss is actually a bit of a different topic with an energy supplement, so you can see the trends for the past 5 years. While it does tend to go up and down, it is constantly going up overall. MaxiLoss has a 75% commission for affiliates with an average sale price of $59. So the average affiliate commission earnings per sale is $40 with MaxiLoss. New Digistore24 affiliate product number 4, Blood Sugar Breakthrough. Blood Sugar Breakthrough quickly supports healthy blood sugar levels already in normal range by enhancing insulin sensitivity and boosting metabolism. We can see there are 3 purchase options with this product as well, with the sales page listing out other product details such as all natural ingredients, soy-free, gluten-free, lactose-free, and free of chemicals and fillers. Blood Sugar Breakthrough also has an affiliate tools page with email swipes and banners that they do update consistently. Some of the trends that Blood Sugar Breakthrough are capitalizing on is diabetes and blood sugar, which are consistently high in Google Trends. This product has a 30% affiliate commission with an average sale price of $75. The average affiliate commission earnings per sale is $20. New Digistore24 product number 3, Weight Burn. Weight Burn is an innovative, personalized weight loss program to help you achieve permanent results by helping you to understand your psychological and behavioral approach to food. You'll develop better habits because you know more about yourself and your food. There are 3 purchasing options. These are per month, so $59 for 30 days, $49 per month for 90 days, or $39 per month for 180 days. Weight Burn does have an affiliate JV page where they had their expert designer and copywriter compile the highest converting banner images, creative combos for you to use on your blogs, websites, Google, and YouTube ads. Weight Burn is an app. It is a weight loss app that is similar to Noom or Weight Watchers. So I did pull up all of these topics so that we could take a look. Noom and Weight Watchers both have really high Google Trends, whereas weight loss apps are a little bit lower. But if we take a look, Exploding Topics tells us that Noom has already peaked, but it has had 500% growth over the last 5 years. Also notice that these peaks are usually around the beginning of the year, so this is a seasonal product that you can prepare to promote at the correct time. Weight Burn has an 85% affiliate commission with an average sale price of $239. The average affiliate commission earnings per sale is $186. New Digistore24 affiliate product number 2, the Ultimate Energizer. The Ultimate Energizer is a device that you install in your home that can help you slash your electric bill almost overnight using alternative energy. The Ultimate Energizer Guide is available in electronic format for instant download. You could be reading everything in just 5 minutes from now, and you can enjoy real savings in electricity from your own generator in a few short days. The Ultimate Energizer does have an affiliate page with banners and email swipes to help you promote this product. In reading a little further in the sales page, it is Earth Energy that the Ultimate Energizer is discussing. So I looked at the trends for that over the last 5 years. It looks like there is a time where this doesn't sell as well, and then there are times when it does sell very well. If we look at a year, you can see we are headed into a time where it may not sell as well, but that does give you time to get your promotion up and running for when it does have a good trend. This product is number 2 in the green products and environment protection niche. The affiliate commission is 90% with the average sale price of $49. The average affiliate commissions earning per sale is $39. This product has a cart conversion of 12%. With a cancellation rate of 6%. These are the kind of metrics that you are looking for with cart conversions and cancellation rates. The cart conversion is almost twice as high as the cancellation rate, so that's a very good sign that you will receive your affiliate commission when you sell this product. New Digistore24 affiliate product number 1, E-Farming Challenge. The E-Farming Challenge is a digital product with immediate access to help farmers learn best how to e-farm, providing several fast action bonuses to help you get started. Their affiliate page is actually a blog of articles written by Danny White to help you with the list building lifestyle. E-farming is a relatively new topic, starting to trend in just March of 2022, but it is gaining traction. E-Farming Challenge offers 50% commission to affiliates, with the average sale price of $751. The average affiliate commissions earning per sale is $238. The cart conversion on this product is 32%, with the cancellation rate of 12%. And again, if you're doing the math with me, this is almost 3 times the conversion rate than the cancellation rate. So these are really good numbers. And that is your list of 7 new Digistore24 products to promote July 2022. As promised, here is your tip on how to research your product niche to see if it is a seasonal or trending topic. I have provided links to both of these websites in the description below for you. All you have to do is go to explodingtopics.com. You can type in any keyword and your search results will tell you if this topic is exploding, if it's regular, or if it has already peaked and is headed down. The second tool I used today was Google Trends. You can type Google Trends into any browser and make sure you click on trends.google.com. Be sure to play around with your time frames so that you can tell whether it is a seasonal topic or a trending topic. Don't forget, if you want help with how to do affiliate marketing the right way, be sure to grab our free training from the link below. It's unlike any training you've ever seen before. If you found value in this video, please give it a like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you'll know when our next video comes out. And thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.